Oh, banyak surut aku dapat. Dia campur angin ini. Dia campur angin. Surat aku dapat tuh banyak sekali di Melbourne. Dingin. Monkey, it's a snow. I know. Look at mommy's shirt. Oh, snow there. Well, better get your boot.
Can I come out?
Oh yeah, of course.
I don't feel like I need this.
Well, we'll do it later. You need your jacket. Mommy, get your jacket. Where is your pink jacket we got yesterday? This is the first snow, everybody. It's wonderful. Wonderful day of the year. It's getting thicker. OMG.
Feels like
Oh,
rain.
it's so good.
feels
Let me
like
put it here.
Oh my god, look.
Ooh. Remember last year? Hail time, and then we outside.
It's covered in snow.
I know. It's not snow. That's why it's not at the visor there. The windy, right? The wind. Oh! It's hail. It's not snow. Dia kayak bunga ya, bentuk-bentuknya. Ini aku zooming ya. Ini bentuk-bentuk salju tuh. Itu yang kayak bintang tuh.